Hi, I'm Darius. I'd like to invite you to discover how mind mapping can transform the way you learn and the way you study, and see why so many schools and universities recommend it. Because it's faster and easier than written notes. I learned how to mind map at law school 25 years ago because I needed a way to deal with the information overload that I was experiencing. And when I learned how to mind map, I never looked back. It ignited a love for learning. Actually, it felt a bit like having an unfair advantage. I'd like to show you how it saved me 2 full weeks of exam revision. Now, I've taught whole classes of university students how to do this. And what I love doing is meeting up with people one-to-one over a coffee and giving them an overview and showing them how they could mind map and how it might fit into their strategy. I'd like to do this for you on this course. It's ideal for people who are students, college, university, high school, or professional development. At the end of this course, you're going to know 3 things: why people mind map, how to mind map, and whether mind mapping is for you. Click on the button below, grab a coffee, and let's go on a mind mapping adventure together.